Hey everybody, it's Neil, and you see we have boats and trailers and whatnot behind us, but I want to show you guys what I got here. This is going to be ratchet straps because we need to be able to strap things on when we're driving down the street. So let's see what these look like here. I'll show you how they are and how they work. These are heavy. It comes with two of them. So we've got this one and another one that's pretty much the same. And so it's got the nice, strong, look at the size of these things. These things are like stronger than the seatbelt. So basically a seatbelt thing, and you can put these on your, whatever it is to strap up. And boy, if I can do it, I'll show you here. Let me see. So you kind of pull it like that, and it looks like it's gonna be attached. So you get the full length of it, which is probably about 7 feet or so. And it's all connected, so you don't have to worry about it all coming apart or having to feed something through, a belt through. But then when you got it connected up, you just cinch it up. Ha ha ha, hard to do upside down. Where are we at here? Now, you can push this button here and it will retract as much as it can. I guess if I'm holding these things open, it'll retract like that, and then you can finish the rest of it yourself by ratcheting it. So that's kind of cool that it has this button to do it. Look at that, it's just gonna roll the whole thing up. It's got some power. Cool, super cool. And then you cinch up the rest of it that way. This is now ridiculously tight, but really cool. Nice ratchet strap, and I love the way it has that spring loaded on it. So we'll be using these things, that's for sure. Thumbs up.